AI tool na to. Diba? Synth.ai, one of the applications in the website. So with this particular tool, you can copy the code. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na curriculum guide. So with this particular tool, you can copy the code, okay? The learning competency code. You can copy that code and then paste it. Copy that code and then paste it in one of the applications in the website. And it will generate a lesson plan with that particular competency that you wanted to generate with.
This is your Master Copy Chan. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this video has been insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Remember, the journey of learning never ends, so keep exploring, keep growing, and keep making a difference. Until next time, stay curious and keep shining bright.